welcome to my channel. I'm Divya, and in today's video I'll talk about how to create a dhoti sari look from scratch. So I created a dhoti sari look from scratch for my cousin's wedding, not like basically wedding, it was for the Sangeet function. I just created this look. I wanted to wear it and I didn't know when to wear it, and it went too good with the Sangeet function. So that was it was from entirely from scratch. Just a year ago, I was having my one of the other cousin's weddings. So I created a lehenga, a blouse separately, a skirt separately. It was not lehenga, it was skirt, blouse with a dupatta, and that look came out too good. I'll share that look as well, the picture of that look. And so from that look, I took the blouse out, and that blouse was it was like a crop top style blouse. It was this much sleeves. I'll share the picture. It was a simple grey blouse with some back, some design going on in the back. So I used the same blouse, and with that I just created a sari. And I always believe in creating something or going for some especially for those ethnic looks, those dresses which are too costly. I always think about reusing them. Always, whenever I create ethnic look, I always think of how it can be reused. At least I can use it twice to thrice in some of the other functions. So in that, accordingly, I just created this look. So with the sari, there are many dhoti sari made ready to wear dhoti saris available in market. So instead of going for that, I just bought a 5.5 meter fabric from a nearby store, and it was a fabric store. I went there and I bought a sari, and a color was there in my mind. It was not an inspired look. It was not inspired by any of the look. I didn't wanted to copy any look, because I was not able to find any look for which I was looking for. So I just had an idea. I watched few videos of how to wear a dhoti sari, and how you can go for a dhoti sari look. So according to that, I got an idea of using one of my old blouse. I didn't want to go for a new blouse because I had one, and that was just used only once in that wedding, and after that it was lying. So since everybody doesn't wear ethnic dress in day-to-day life, basically wear a t-shirt, jeans, those things are used basically. And most of all, if we go for ethnic, simple kurti, leggings, pants, cigarette pants, jeans, these are used. So we don't use blouses and all on regular basis. And even if you wear sari, you'll not use a single blouse. I don't wear sari obviously. So for me, using that blouse was the most important thing. I just wanted to use something from my last wedding. So I used that blouse, and for that I wanted to go for some sari that would go contrast with that blouse, and that would look good on me as well. There are colors which I like a lot, but when I wear them, they don't look good on me. My face looks dull, and I look like I have faded if I'm having some fever or I'm not well. It shows that look. The colors which I like very much, those are peach colors. I like them a lot, but when I wear them, it doesn't khilta nahi hai mere upar. So that is the reason I wanted something in contrast, as well as that should look good on me. That was the main motto. So I went for a magenta color, a pink color, a dark pink color. I bought a georgette fabric of around 6 meters to make this dhoti sari. I bought that fabric, and then I went to a lace shop, and I wanted to put a lace all around it, because for dhoti sari there is the borders in the sari. They cover your leg. I'll attach my picture, my dhoti sari picture, my blouse, lately blouse, how I used that blouse, how I wore it first, and next time how I'm wearing it. and I'll also have a third video that would be with a little bit twist. I'll use that blouse again, and I'm so excited. So how I use that blouse and how the sari look is all about. So I was looking for some lace that would that would match with the blouse, and that should also look good with the sari, and it should create that dhoti look and when I wear it. So I went to a lace shop. From there I bought around 9 meters lace, and I wanted to put it all around the sari. So I went to tailors and I asked them to just put that lace on my sari, and they were charging a lot of money. So I did it myself. I took out my my grandmother's machine, and I stitched the lace all around. First, since it is tough to directly stitch a lace on a sari, so I felt my mother and my a few people recommended me just go for big stitches first. Apply big stitches with your hand, and then you can just then stitch it with a machine. But I was too lazy to do that. Apply big stitches all over the sari, so I just used staplers. I used stapler and I stapled that lace all around the sari, with this much gap, a half meter gap, not half meter, half feet gap. I punched staplers with the lace in the sari, keeping in mind the lace doesn't get damaged while I'm putting the staplers. So I just founded a gap between the designs, and I put the staplers over there, and then I stitched it, and the sari was stitched with the lace, and that looked too good, too gorgeous. So that was a simple sari with the lace, and then I started watching videos how to wear it. Before going for this sari, I watched videos 10 times, and then when I bought, I created that that was everything was done. I applied the lace and all, and then I went to wear that sari. So when I started wearing, it didn't came out good. I was in a tension. Nahi ho payega. I thought I will not be able to wear it. So I watched the video again. With the video, I started wearing it with the video only. Video is running and I am wearing it, and pausing, wearing. So that also it worked for a while. I did it. It was okay. And my cousin's wedding was in a hotel, so I was not at my place that I had a lot of time to wear it. So before that, I wanted to be so much trained in wearing that I don't face any issue, because shadi house is a hurry house, and you need to put on your dresses quickly, as quick as possible. And pulling on this dhoti sari was not that quick, not easy at all. So I practiced it for a night. For entire night I practiced 2-3 days before all these rituals started. So that took a lot of practice how to wear it, and it came out too good when I wore it, and I'll share the pictures. And you can watch many videos available on how to wear that sari. So my motto of creating this sari, simple sari, and then using it as a dhoti sari was this, that lately my mother can also wear this sari in simple way, she used to wear daily. That is a party sari, so she can also wear it. I wore it once and I'm not going to wear it again. That is every girl's story. They cannot repeat their dress. Even if they like it a lot, repeating a dress is very, that's not very dangerous. Because we don't like repeating it, because we have pictures in that, right? And if we repeated, that picture is of no use. Maybe we can use it with some twist. Since I wore it twice, just 4-5 days after my cousin's wedding, 4-5 days I had one of my uncle's very close relative wedding. So I wore that sari again, and I wore it twice. Pictures were for once only. So it was good, both their places, one wedding was from my maternal side, one wedding was from my paternal side. So I wore it for both the places. and I had few pictures and that's all, and I'm not going to wear it again. So if I got a stitched dhoti sari, that would waste a lot of money. And you know what was the price the tailor was asking to stitch the lace? It was just 200 rupees, and I was like feeling that it's too much because I know stitching a little bit. So I just thought, why to give 200 rupees? Instead I can like spend few time in just doing it. So that was not too much, but for me that was too much. So like I did that and I created this look, and I'll share the picture, and you'll get lots of videos on how to wear dhoti sari on YouTube. You can watch those videos. Don't stick with one video, watch 3-4 videos, and then you can find out your style and your easiest way of wearing it. So you can wear it in that way, and I'll share my pictures of dhoti sari, and if you have anything to ask, you can surely ask. If you want to create any outfit and you need my help, you can mail me, you can comment me. I'll like put my email ID in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.